Welcome back, students, in my channel Influence Mathematics. I hope the previous videos you have seen, but I have found very few of you have sent me the homework that I have given you in the last previous video. So that is really not good. I want you all to do the homework asked to do, so that the interest in these online video classes may go on very comfortably. So here we are with question number 8, the next question. Let's see what the question says. Question says, a horse is tied to a pet at one corner of a square-shaped grass field of side 15 meter by means of 5 meter long rope. Find the area of that part of the field in which the horse can graze. And number 2, the increase in grazing area if the rope were 10 meter long instead of 5 meter. Okay, let's do one by one. Let's first understand the question and then try to make out a figure of the question. This is a square field, okay, and the horse is tied in this corner. In one of the corner, the horse is tied, okay, and the horse is tied with a rope of 5 meter. That means it can move up to 5 meter only. Okay, done. Okay, so that means the length of the rope is the radius of this quadrant. Can you see? This is a quadrant. Okay, the length of the rope is the radius of the quadrant of this sector. Okay, now the angles in a square is 90 degree. Angles in a square is, every angle it is, how much it is? 90 degree. Okay, so angle subtended at the center is 90. Length of the radius of this sector R we got as 5 meters, since the length of the rope is 5 meter. Done. Now theta equal to 90 degree, radius equal to 5 meter, number 1. Okay, number 1. So this field is filled up with grass. Now how much area of the grass can be grazed by the horse? Since the horse is tied with a 5 meter long rope, so it can only move to the area with which this 5 meter rope will allow the horse to move. That means within this radius, 5 meter radius. Okay, so this sector, they are asking to find out the area grazed in this sector. Okay, so to know the area grazed by the horse, we have to find out the area of this sector. Okay, this sector. And what this sector is called? This sector is called as a minor sector, right? So let's do it. Area of the minor sector. Theta by 360 pi r square. Theta 90 given by 360. Pi they asked us to take as 3.14. So taking 3.14, and the radius is 5 meter. 5 into 5 meter. Done. Now 0, 0 cancel. 9 4 ja 36. 2 2 ja 4. 2 1.57. Let us multiply. 5 5 ja 25. 25 into 1.57, and let's see how much we get. So multiplying 5 5 ja 25 into 1.57, we got here 39.25 divided by 2. So if we divide 39.25 by 2, how much we will get? 2 1 ja 2, 2 9 ja 18, 1 2 2 6 ja 12, 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10. 19 point, this is meter into meter square. 39.25 dividing by 2, we got 19.625 meter square. This is the area, minor sector area. That means this is the area of this portion. That means this much of grass can be grazed by the horse. Okay, this much of grass can be grazed by the horse. So we'll write down here at the last 19.625 meter square of area of grass can be grazed by the horse. Okay, done. This is number 1. Now number 2, let's see the number 2. What is number 2 telling? The increase in grazing area. If the rope were 10 meter long instead of 5 meter long, what will be the difference in the grazing area? Okay, this is the 5 meter long rope. If it will be 10 meter long, that means this much will be the area, right? So what is the increasing? That means, can you see this portion? This is the increase in area. If 10 meter, then this much of grass can be grazed. If 5 meter, then this much of grass can be grazed. So what is the increase? This much is the increase in the area, right? So this increase we have to find out. That means area of this sector minus area of this sector. Okay. So area of the grass grazed with rope 10 meter minus area of the grass grazed with rope 5 meter. I hope you got it. Number 2. Area increase area of grazing is equal to area grazed with rope 10 meter minus area grazed with rope 5 meter. Done. So whatever be the length of the rope, the formula is going to be same. That is the sector minus sector formula only. Theta by 360 pi r square. Theta by 360 pi. Here radius is 10 meter square minus here also theta by 360 pi. Here radius will be 5 meter square. Theta by 360 pi. Theta by 360 pi. Theta by 360 pi taking common. Then what is remaining? 10 square. 10 meter square is remaining minus this 5 meter square is remaining. Done. Theta value is 90 by 360. Pi is 3.14. 10 square is 100 meter square. 5 square is 25 meter square. Done. Now 90 by 360 into 3.14 into 100 minus 25, 75 meter square. Done. 0, 0 cancel. 9, 4 ja 36. Now we have to 2, 2 ja 4. 2, 1.57. Now we have to multiply 75 into 1.57. Then we have to divide it by 2 and we'll get the answer. Let's see. So after multiplying 75 into 1.57, we got 117.75 divided by 2. After dividing, we got here 58.875 meters square. So this is how we found the area, increase area of grazing by area of the area grazed with rope 10 meter minus area grazed with rope 5 meter. Formula we are going to use for minor sector only, but the radius is going to be different because here the radius is the length of the rope. Okay, so taken the two different radius, taking common, this one coming, 10 square 100, 5 square 25, subtracting and the cancellation, multiplying, divide, and we got the answer here. Done. Let's see the next question. So in this question number 9, it says a brooch is made with silverware in the form of a circle with diameter 35 mm. The ware is also used in making 5 diameters which divide the circle into 10 equal sectors as shown in the figure. Find the total length of the silverware required. Number 1. Okay. So now where the silverware is used. Silverware is used to form this circle, right? Silverware is used to form this circle and these 5 diameters. Total how many diameters? 5 diameters are given, right? 5 diameters are given, right? So the silverware is used to make the circle and to make the 5 diameters. So we know where the silverware is used. Yes or no? And the diameter has been given here 35 mm. Diameter is given 35 mm. That means this full it is 35 millimeter, and this half, that is the radius, is going to be how much? 35 by 2 millimeter. So now done. Now number 1, total length of wire. Total length of wire, right? Okay, equal to where the wire is used to make this circle. So circumference of circle plus 5 diameters. So 5 diameters. Okay, circumference of the circle formula is 2 pi r, that you know very well, and plus 5 diameter. 2 pi, it is 22 by 7. Radius, we got 35 by 2 millimeter, plus 5 diameter, it is 35 millimeter. Done. 7 5 to 35, 2 cancel. 22 into 5, 110 millimeter, plus 5 into 35, 5 5 to 25, and then 2 5 to 15, 16 17 millimeter. Done. So 110 plus 175, how much it will be? 285 millimeter. So this much of the length of wire is used to make this brooch. Okay, so how we got? Circumference of circle plus 5 diameters. Done. Okay, now what is the next question? Next question here it is area of each sector of brooch. How many sectors we can see? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 sectors are there, right? So we are asked to find out the area of each sector. Okay, so let us find out the area of each sector. Area of each sector formula is what? Area of each sector. Minor sector formula is theta by 360 pi r square, right? Theta here, see, we have to know theta here, right? Okay, now see, total central angle is how much? Total angle of a circle is 360. Yes or no? Total angle of a circle is 360 degree, right? Divided by how many sectors are there? 10 sectors are there. So dividing by 10. That means each sector how much? To know the angle of each sector, total it is 360 degree. Total it is 360 degree. We have to know the angle of each sector. So total how many sectors? 10 sectors. So dividing by 10. 0 0 cancel. What is the angle here? Theta equal to 36 degree. So this is what we are going to use here for theta. Theta value we are going to take 36 by 360 pi 22 by 7. Radius it is 35 by 2. So we'll take 35 by 2 into 35 by 2. Millimeter into millimeter square. Done. 36 10 ja, 7 5 ja, 5 2 ja, 2 11 ja. Done. So what we are getting? 11 into 35, 385. Denominator 2 2 ja, 4 millimeter into millimeter square. This is the area of each sector. I hope you got it. Question number 8 and question number 9. In the next video, we'll be coming out with the next more sums. Till then, keep practicing. Be at home. Stay safe. It's Nirmal Roy signing off.